Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect Xero to Microsoft Excel. So, all you have to do is head over to Xero.com and, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, just look for this 9 dot icon, then click on this. It is named Connected Apps. Then, just click on Find More Apps on the Xero App Store. You will then be redirected to the Zero App Store. In the search bar, search for Sync Hub. Then just click on the Sync Hub app. So this app will help us connect Zero to Microsoft Excel. Just click on Get this app and click on Allow Access. Click on the drop down menu and make sure that you select your company or business. Then click on Select. From here, just click on Excel. So we're going to need to enter these credentials on Excel. Then next, just head over and proceed to Excel. Then we can start with the blank workbook. Then head over and click on Data. Then click on Get Data from Database. Then click on From SQL Server Database. And from here, we're going to need to enter server and database. So just head back to Zero. And we're just going to copy this server link. Just click on copy, then paste it here. And database is optional, but we're also going to copy it. Just click on copy beside database, then paste it here. Then proceed by clicking on OK. Then next, just switch on database, and we're going to need our username and password. Just head back to Zero, copy username, then paste. Also the password, copy password, then paste it here. Then click on connect. Just select on the specific data that you want to load, then head over and click on load. It should be loaded on your Excel app. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!